OrderDesk is a powerful order management tool that helps you automate fulfillment across multiple platforms. And when paired with Merchize, it's a game changer for your print-on-demand business. This step-by-step tutorial will show you how to integrate OrderDesk with Merchize Fulfill. Let's walk through the process in clear, simple steps. Ready? Let's do this. Step 1. Prepare your accounts. Before we start, make sure you have an active OrderDesk account, a Merchize account. If you don't have a Merchize account yet, head over to merchize.com and sign up. It's quick and free. With both accounts ready, we're set to connect your OrderDesk account to Merchize. Step 2. Get your API key and base URL. Now head over to your Merchize seller dashboard. Click Integrations from the left-hand menu and select Merchize API from the list. Under the API reference section, copy your Merchize base URL and API key. You will need this information in the next step. Step 3. Enable Merchize in OrderDesk. Log in to your OrderDesk account and head to the Manage Integrations section. Under the Print on Demand category, find and select the Merchize integration. Click to enable the Merchize app. Enter your Merchize API key and base URL copied earlier. Click Connect. OrderDesk will establish the connection with Merchize. If everything's set up correctly, your connection is now active, and you're ready to automatically push orders through the system. That's it! Your OrderDesk store is now fully integrated with Merchize, ready for instant order syncing and fast fulfillment. If you run into any issues, double-check your shipping settings or contact Merchize support for help. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tutorials and drop any questions in the comments. See you next time.